Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I am here with an invitation for an open challenge. Last 2 weeks I did a tablescape for Christmas and it was a formal sitting tablescape, and then I did a breakfast morning, that is Christmas breakfast morning buffet setup, and I had been conversing with a lot of my friends on YouTube and I realized that most of us do a buffet setting. It's so convenient and it's so easy with smaller families, little helping hands, and it's just easy with this quick busy life schedule of all of us. Buffet settings are so much in. Almost everybody does it. So I and Nicole, my friend Nicole Northgarden, we were talking about the same thing, and we came up with this idea of doing an open challenge where we invite people to do a buffet setting and share your tips, show how you do it. If you are new to Nicole Northgarden, do check out her channel. She's a beautiful friend who does a lot of thrifting, a lot of hauls, and she picks things which are vintage, have a story to them, and the way she decorates her home with them, how she transformed those vintage old items into beautiful decor items for home. I just love it. In the past, I also hosted Useful DIY Challenge with Nicole Northgarden, and we had been good friends since then. And Nicole Northgarden, I'll put a link to her channel in the description box below. Do check out her channel and show your love. And we had been talking about these buffet table settings, and we thought let's ask people, because everybody had been commenting here and there that everybody does buffet. Lots and lots of people do buffet dinner, buffet meals, even for a regular basis or even for throwing parties. People prefer buffet setting. So we're going to ask you people to show us a buffet setting. So you can start with how do you arrange the sitting arrangement for people when there are so many people at home, or how you lay out your table, what kind of utensils you use, how you go about arranging things, or even what kind of food you like to have for your buffet table setting. So that is what the video should be all about. So let's head on to the challenge rules. Rule number 1 for the challenge is, in your title of the video, whatever you write, do add the words buffet table setting. This will help your video to be picked up by more people out there in the world who are looking for buffet table setting ideas. Rule number 2, in your description box, add the hashtag buffet table setting 2020. This will help us to auto-populate the playlist, and also if the auto-populate playlist function doesn't work, to pick your videos from the net and add them to the playlist. Rule number 3, you should be subscribed to both the host channels, that is Nicole Northgarden and MomDas Life Handmade. Rule number 4, do mention the host and the channels and the playlist, that is Nicole from Nicole Northgarden, Mom from MomDas Life Handmade, and the playlist that is being created in your description box as well as in your video. The last rule, and the rule that you're waiting for, is the upload date and time. The upload date and time for these videos is going to be 30th January 2020 at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. 10 a.m. Central Time, 30th January 2020. So see you all. I hope everybody will come up with brilliant ideas to share, and it's always great to know some more tips, more ideas how to make your buffet setting more beautiful, more functional, and more convenient for us to entertain in the season or any other season for that matter. It would be a great challenge. I hope everybody turns up, and see you all on 30th January 2020 at 10 a.m. Central Time with their buffet table settings. See you soon in my next video. Take care.